Hello and once again welcome to Mobi Heroes. This is iPhone 11 Pro. Let's open the box and we'll check what is inside. So this one is the new beautiful looking midnight green version. This time it is having triple rear camera setup. The back is made from single sheet of glass with matte finish which feels great to hold in hand. Let's check other items in the box. Similar paperwork on the top, SIM ejector tool and Apple stickers. This time again we are having lightning earpods. And Apple has discontinued giving lightning to 3.5mm connector. Well, this time Apple has changed the lightning cable. Yes, you heard it right. This time the cable is from USB-C type lightning connector. That's because Apple has included a fast 15-watt charger in the box. Here you can see the USB-C type. Now let's check out the phone. Let's switch on the phone and run quick setup. With the latest iOS 13 on the device, we are having the option of dark mode. So here we are on the home screen. Design wise, nothing much has changed from last year. Triple rear camera setup with a main lens, a telephoto lens and an ultra wide angle lens takes stunning photographs in daytime as well as in night. And yes, the Apple logo has shifted to the center. Overall, it's a great phone with better battery, better performance and a better camera. Yes, it lacks popular features like in-screen Touch ID, wireless power share, but who knows, maybe next year. Overall, it's a great phone. Let me know down in comments what you think about it. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the complete review of the phone.